So we've talked about ratios already, which were comparison between two different things. A rate is also comparison between two quantities measured in different units. So we see rates all the time in our everyday life. Some examples of those are our speed, kilometers per hour, our pulse, maybe 60 beats per minute. Being employed, you make $25 per hour. Your insurance, lawyers' fees, accountants, farmers. It's used all the time. The unit rate compares a quantity to 1 unit. So kilometers per hour is a unit rate because it's for 1 hour. When we want to compare rates, you need to find the value of the rate for the same quantity. One way you can do this is to find the unit rate for each one. So for example, a printing press prints 120 sheets in 3 minutes. How many sheets are printed in 1 minute? So that would be a unit rate if we found out per 1 minute. So we could divide by 3. We would find that it's 40 sheets per 1 minute. We could also find out per 1 hour, which is also a unit rate. We would take that 40 sheets per minute, times it by 60, and we would get 2,400 sheets in 1 hour. So maybe you've gone to the grocery store and chosen to compare different quantities and the prices, but we need to make them the same quantity in order to do that. So one way of doing this, for this example of milk, is to make them all 1 liter. So in order to do that, I would use equivalent for eighths. Times this one by 4, times this one by 2. This one stays the same. Divide the big one by 2. So I'm going to get all of them per liter. So $1.49 times 4 gives you $5.96 per liter. $1.69 times 2 is $3.38 per liter. This one's already $2.79 per liter. And finally, $3.99 divided by 2. So this one will round up to give you $2 per liter. So in this case, you can easily see now and compare that the big 2 liter milk is the best deal per liter if that's as much milk as you're going to use anyway. You don't always have to make them unit rates. That last one was per 1 liter. This one, if you recognize 12 garbage bags for $1.99, 48 garbage bags for $5.29. There's different ways of doing this, but one way we could do it is we could times this one by 4 if you recognize that 4 times 12 is 48. So $1.99 times 4, so 48 bags, if we use this deal, costs $7.96. It's not always the case that the more there is in something, the less it will cost, but this example, it is. Last one we'll try is you're going to try to make each one into 100 grams. Okay, so to make this one into 100 grams, divide by 4.5. Same thing for that. This one I'll divide by 6 because we want to compare them all to the same amount. So this is going to give us the cost per 100 grams for each one. So the first one, per 100 grams, cost is going to be $1.04. Second one, $6.49 divided by 6 is going to be $1.08 per 100 grams. And finally, the last one is going to be 79 cents per 100 grams. So there you can compare again which is the best deal. If you don't think you'll eat all of a family size, you still might not want to buy it just because it's the best deal. So that's a little bit about rates.